Hi, this is a night routine. It's just me, so I'm gonna show y'all what I do at night before I go to bed. So I just got the shower, put my robe on, my nightgown, and all that. So the first thing I like to do is brush my teeth. And now I'm going to put some foreskin lotion on my face. You just rub it in. Then you don't have to wipe it off. Y'all see how clear my face is? It's glowing. And now I'm going to do lip scrub on my lips. I'm going to wash this off. Wipe my lips off. Toilet paper. Y'all see my lips? They soft and smooth. And now, close this up. Put my lipstick on. And now I'm going to put my lip gloss on. Y'all see my lips? And here go my lips. And this is the end of my night routine. Y'all will see me doing a lot of stuff. Makeup, hair, cooking, shopping, going to events, cooking with Terrence, playing board games with Terrence, video games with Terrence. Most of the time I'm by myself because he's at work. So I like to do a lot of stuff by myself. I'm trying to grow my subscribers and do stuff with him. So we lost 2 subscribers. that's okay. I'm good because I'm still being there doing my videos so I can grow my subscribers and get to 1,500K. So make sure y'all comment down below, give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and without further ado, I am so glad and so excited y'all stop by to watch our content, and stay tuned and continue, and I will see y'all later. Bye.